This is a review of the stainless steel sink bathroom faucet that we are going to be doing a unboxing review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get, and from there we are going to open this up. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so this is everything we get inside, and here's the bathroom sink faucet that is touchless, and you can see here really high quality stainless steel quality right over here. And then when I pull it out to show you guys more in depth about it, you can see that the nozzle right over here is where it's touchless, and then it automatically turns on, and you could also manually turn it on as well too. It comes with the positive as well too, that you're gonna have to wire it up. Now this right over here is the thing that pretty much powers up everything and makes it touchless. When you put your hand to it, it will automatically turn on, and it comes with the inline fuse as well too, so you're gonna have to like connect things together to make the touchless work. And right over here is the instruction manual guide, in case if you want to learn more information about it and want to know the exact install steps that it comes with as well too. Right over here comes with a set of gloves to pretty much to keep your hands from getting dirty while you do the install. But what we're gonna do now is that we are going to install this, and then after that we are going to show you guys the finished results of this touchless bathroom sink faucet. Okay, so one thing I do want to point out before we get to the finished results is to make sure you have your module installed properly. But it's not just that, it requires 4 AAA batteries to also function the touchless sink faucet as well too. So once you do that, from there, then your sink faucet should be working, and the touchless sensor should also be working as well too. But something very important that I do want to note is that to make sure you have your 4 AAA batteries plugged in to make sure your sink faucet is working properly. Okay, so we are going to be putting this product to a test. So without going any further, you get your soap located right over here, and from there we are going to test the touchless sensor bathroom sink faucet. And just like that, it automatically turns on. If you're wondering how to keep it turned on, you have to have your hands close towards the sensor. And just like that, it automatically turns off. And the way the system designed the whole layout is to conserve water and energy from excess water from being drained. And you can see, like I told you guys before, the black sensor is what activates it on. That I put my hand like that and it turns on just like that, and then automatically shuts off, which is really a cool feature about this product. And another thing I do want to also let you guys know is that it comes with everything you need. So it comes with the hardware and everything, like this, for example, the cover itself, that is designed to cover the holes. So I have 2 existing holes, one on the left and one on the right. It covers everything up. And also the stainless steel quality is really high quality on this product. And let's go test it again. You can see, all you have to do is just, have it like that, have your hands close towards the sensor. And just like that, automatically shuts off. I would definitely recommend this automatic touchless bathroom sink faucet because of the fact that it's made of really high quality stainless steel quality. The touchless sensor, it works very well as well too. It detects automatic motion. And if you're wondering how you keep this on and stable, all you have to do is put your hand close to the sensor just like that, and it just automatically turns on. And then shuts off just like that to conserve water and energy from excess water from being drained. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product. And not just that, it also comes with the temperature as well too. So for example, you're wanting to make your water warm, then you're gonna have to go all the way up like that. You can see the red indicator right over here, then there's the blue indicator to make the water cool. So if I have it up right here, the water is going to be warm. I push it down just like that, the water is going to be cool. So just like that, now the water, I have it on and it's set to cool. And then if I put it up, it's going to be warm water. So that's something to keep in mind. It comes with the adjustment dial as well too, to adjust the level and temperature of the water. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this bathroom automatic touchless sink faucet if you're looking for a replacement, or you're looking for to modernize your home and aesthetically improve the looks of your home as well too. Then this product right over here is probably one of the best bathroom automatic touchless sink faucets to get, because of the fact that it was also very easy to install, and it comes with the module itself as well too, that you to put your 4 AA batteries plugged in as well too. So that's another thing to keep in mind about this. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a new bathroom sink faucet for your home. Then this one right over here is probably one of the best ones that you could get.